The Fonterra CanPack Sachet Filling Department is a leading packaging provider of consumer healthcare products for both external customers and our own Fonterra branded milk powder products. By utilising the latest packaging machinery, documentation control, product code and batch numbering systems, we deliver optimum hygiene, high production output, accuracy and the accountability that's expected, achieved and surpasses our customers' expectations. Whether nutritional powders or dairy blends, we are experts in this field and can offer a full service from ingredient sourcing all the way to export documentation. Our experience allows us to meet the individual product needs of our customers and provide them with a specific type of pack which best suits their requirements. The process starts off. Within the critical hygiene area, bins of milk powder are tipped into a hopper, where the powder is transferred through the 3mm sifter to the sachet filler hopper. Powder from the filler hopper is metered into the open sachet by a stainless steel auger. At the back of the sachet filler, a roll of metallized, often printed foil laminate is threading through the machine. As the laminate is threading through the filler machine, it's printed with time of manufacture and customer-approved product information prior to being formed into a sachet. The former shapes the laminate into a tube and is heat-sealed, creating its vertical seam. The vertically sealed tube is then delivered to the horizontal heat-sealing jaws. The twin-head heat-seal jaws in one motion form the top of the filled sachet and the bottom seal of the next sachet. In the same motion near the end of its cycle, a knife cuts through the laminate, separating the two sachets. Immediately after the bottom seal is formed, the metered powder is delivered into the sachet. The filled sachet is then conveyed to a check weigher. If it fails this check, the sachet is rejected and the check weigher communicates back to the filler to adjust the powder metering. Once the sachet weight has been accepted by the check weigher, the sachet leaves the critical hygiene area. Sachets are randomly selected for testing from each line at prescribed time periods. All sachets selected are subject to leak and residual oxygen testing to ensure the production meets the agreed customer standards. Sachets are conveyed through an X-ray inspection machine before being robotically packed into the shipper cartons. Shipper cartons are then coded with the required regulatory information. Bag-in-box packing is also performed where sachets are packed into pre-formed unit cartons and glue-sealed. The sealed unit carton is then X-rayed before travelling on to be coded with the powder expiry period and any other client details required. Unit cartons are then packed into shipper cartons . On all sachet lines, once the shipper carton has been coded, they are conveyed to the check weigher, who identifies the carton by its barcode and then automatically checks that the shipper carton weight is in the accepted range for that product. Shipper carton cases are then conveyed to be automatically stacked, again recognised by their barcodes, by the palletizing robots to the customer-agreed and container-friendly format. There are 2 robots looking after 10 product lanes. Automatically shrink-wrapped and labelled, the pallet is then sent to the finished goods stores to await the results of finished goods testing before beginning the journey to the customer's market.